Well, good morning, my lovelies. Here I am again, Southern cooking at its best. Steamed okra, very good. Steamed, not slimy, but steamed. If you're a Southerner, you know what these are. These are dry lima beans, cooked to perfection, right down to a slow gravy-like. Back there you have broccoli florets. If you follow me at all, you know that I love the florets. I'm a floret woman. They have to be the florets, but not overcooked. Tender, but not overcooked. Just right. When I went to my big mama's house, it was nothing strange in the summer, winter, or fall for her to have smothered down some chicken. And it was so yummy. All you had to do was put your mouth on it. It kind of just like that piece did, kind of pulled apart. That was my mama. That was my great big mama. That was all the matriarchs in my family. That's so slow Southern cooking. Over here, these flaky croissants are going to just blend in so well. It's going to make the perfect bread for this. You're going to want to sop that croissant in that juice a little bit. But we might not do that. You know, I told you that I would be back from time to time sharing my Southern cooking ideas. And every now and then I might even show you how I'm going to do it or talk you through it so you can do it also. And think about your big mama and your grandmama and all of the awesome things that they taught you as you were coming up. Look at that yumminess. Look at that. Look at it. Just take a last look. Look at there. Just absolutely wonderful and divine. And that's the way it is when we live with Christ. It's a divine life because he was human yet divine. And we thank him so much, God, for sending his son into this world that we might have life and that we might have it abundantly. I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful for all of you that follow me. Just so grateful you follow me. You keep me encouraged. Every time I see you hit on something, it makes me smile. Please like and share these awesome videos so others can feel the comfort. We need comfort in the world we're living in now. I come to you with hair tips, words to live by, to be inspired by, to just keep you going, and to keep your grandmama, your big mama, and all those awesome matriarchs and patriarchs in your family, keep their memories going. I don't want to keep them alive because if they're not here, they're in a better place, but I want to keep their memories alive. So please follow me, hit the link below, follow me, tell your friends about me. I've got a number I'm trying to make. Please help me make it. I need about 1,000 followers. We can do this. God bless you. I'll be back. I'm going to enjoy this meal, enjoy this beautiful day. Give God the praise, give God the glory. As I often say, get on that telephone, call somebody, let them know you just called because you love them. Go sweep somebody's floor, take somebody to the store, whatever you can do to make their day better. Thank you so much. About to get twisted, but I want to make their day better. She said it right that time. God bless you. I love you tremendously. I think you're incredible. God bless.